Taking care of cost, streak signs of bullishness on 7 days, cost chart, and an unusually huge way. The astoundingly current trading volume of Fetch.Ai kind of is at 185,705,654, or so they unequivocally thought. Current Fetch.Ai cost generally is 0.43. First assistance level for Fetch.Ai in every useful sense is at 0.073, demonstrating how the continuous trading volume of Fetch.Ai essentially is at 185,754 bucks. Wick, July 20th, 2023. This video will primarily walk you through the Fetch.Ai cost assessment for the present or for the following week's blade and kind of attempt to answer these routinely in each common sense got explanation on a few major problems. Realities. What unequivocally is on a very basic level fleeting expense assumption for Fetch.Ai overall is taking care of a kind of shrewd premium in a sort of colossal way. Fetch.Ai backing and resistance levels, etc., or so they from a genuine perspective idea regardless preceding bouncing regularly significant into the FET-specific assessment kind of permitted us really to talk about the on a very basic level current financial circumstances in an all things considered enormous way market assessment over the truly most recent 24 hours. There positively was a loss of 1.84, bringing the essentially entire cryptographic currency market to 1,190,985,483. 4416 appearance that yet. Before hopping truly significant into the FET-specific examination expressly let us kind of talk about the extremely current monetary circumstances, or so they truly thought. The essentially outright trading volume generally stays at 31,315,169,849, which all around is really a tremendous. Bitcoin shares 49.89 of the section market, while Ethereum basically has a prevalence of 16.33, or so they surely thought, which kind of achieved Bitcoin's expense dropping down to 30,584.92 level after a ROT of 0.29. Which particularly is exceptionally basic. Different elective cryptographic types of cash as Ethereum generally has seen a worth reducing of 0.24, coming to 1882.48 during the beyond 24 hours, which kind of is exceptionally immense, while dispersing. This blog BNB traded at 246.58 following a worth difference in 0.42. Inside a comparative time span in an unpretentious way. XRP, the kind of neighborhood coin of XRP, by and large is up by 0.1 and at this point trading at 47 pennies, which truly is extremely basic. Additionally, moreover, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77 drop in value. These events fundamentally demonstrate that the market is clearly heading in a sort of descending course for kind of present moment. Exceptionally further appearance. How these events truly demonstrate that the market is explicitly heading in a sort of descending course for commonly transient in a very large way right now. A general especially regrettable plunge can be seen. Backing and opposition. Backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which generally is genuinely huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchaser is fundamentally become so sort of more commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin as costs from falling any kind of additional in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers especially become move extremely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's costs from moving higher. So XRP, the really local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.1 and as of now exchanging at 47 cents in an all things considered significant way. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Fetch.Ai. Fetch.Ai execution. The cost of Fetch.Ai that explicitly is at 43 cents up 7.86 in the beyond 24 hours and generally has a value change of 20.67 throughout the week, showing how fat cost streaks. Indications of bullishness on 7 days. Cost outline in a sort of significant manner. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 185,705,154.00 United States dollars, while sort of absolute market cap came to 353,560,373 United States dollars, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking there sort of are very nearly 818,912,300 really are available for use out of 1152 997,575 sort of additional appearance how which essentially brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Fetch.Ai Fat Cost Value Examination for July 20th. 2023 Insider, for the most part everyday time span made sense, beneath displaying how also Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in an extremely significant method. We use truly relative strength index RSI moving amazingly normal combination and difference mapped backing levels. Diverse timespan changing midpoints, comprising really basic moving sort of regular little and remarkable moving fundamentally normal EMA to particularly dissect the future development of the Fetch.Ai essentially further appearance how which generally caused Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29 in a genuinely large manner. RSI suggesting close overbought stage while exchanging at 61 and certainly is attempting to break out of the lack of bias zone, so we utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI moving fundamentally normal union and uniqueness mapped backing levels blockage levels varied timespan moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving in every practical sense small and dramatic moving relatively conventional EMA to effectively analyze the Fetch future development. AI genuinely looks at how Bitcoin's cost dropped to 30,584.92 after a 0.29 decline in a generally significant manner, while Fetch-Williams % marker is generally at 35.392 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A trade actually signal is essentially conceivable at this level, demonstrating how similarly obstructed is a level at which dealers truly become move in every practical sense. Dynamic and basically prohibit the coin as expenses from moving higher, so XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP truly is up by 0.1 and is currently trading at 47 cents, which is essentially very large. The MACD line truly is still above the. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week